Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide your story. By hide your story, I mean you can hide your story from a specific person. If you don't want one person to not see your story, you can do that through a setting feature on TikTok. So let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. So first thing first, after opening TikTok, go to your profile. You can do that by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're inside your TikTok profile, you can see this option called stories. As you guys can see over here, my stories is over here. So since I want to hide my story, I will click on stories, and I have uploaded 2 stories. So I'm going to choose the story which I want to hide. So I want to hide this story, so I will just slide to the story which I want to hide, and then right beside the story you can see the 3 dots. You want to click on the 3 dots, and over here you can see this option called privacy settings. You want to click on privacy settings, and on privacy settings it's on everyone, which means everyone can see my story. But if I choose only me, then it has been private, which means only I can see my story, which means I have hidden my story from most of the people because it's on only me, which means only I can see it. So that's how you guys can hide your story. But if you want to hide your story from some of your friends, you can choose the middle option where it says friends. Now only the people who follow you can see it, alright? And if your account is private, you can basically choose who follows you, who doesn't, which means only the people you select can see your story. That's how you guys can hide your story. You can either go on friends or you can either go on only me. So I hope you understand on how you guys can hide your story on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.